We're gonna go ahead and move into the side step install. So just a quick overview, it is the exact same concept as our crew model install. Nothing changes on these, so your bracket orientation will still be the same. This is obviously our passenger side brackets. Airplane wings facing rear is how I remember it. Kind of looks like a little plane wing. So that'd be your rear bracket, and then obviously your front's gonna have this little divot in it to kind of match the contour of the vehicle. And like I said, dude, it's the exact same concept as our crew model. Nothing changes. So obviously you see this side, it's already got the holes drilled. Now if we follow over to this side, I'll kind of just prove to you guys right here. So just like on the Cruise, there's that divot that you're gonna drill out. Same thing with right back here. Here's that divot that you're gonna punch out. Same thing, hole saw it out, kind of go in as straight as possible and go all the way through. And yeah, it's the same thing, man, nothing too crazy. But let's get into putting on this passenger side. Like I said, holes are already drilled, so it's gonna kind of simplify that process just a little bit here, sake of saving some time. So biggest thing to remember is when you're putting these in that they are going into a part of the frame. So these new frames, they got a tubular design in there, and that's pretty much where our resilience comes in. So as you can see, it slides in nice, easy, just how we like it, right there. And then that's what I was talking about by that cut in this passenger side bracket. Obviously, driver side is going to match the same way. So yeah, so as simple as could be, just like I said, they're gonna slide right on in there, right through those holes that you just drilled. So obviously, those Torx bolts that you just pulled out of your body panel, here's some that are already fastened in. But for our side step brackets, you're just gonna kind of feel for the hole. Always try to start them by hand if possible. You do not have to use an impact, just don't go too aggressive on them. And that is how you put on our brackets for our side steps on the single cab. So now that we got the brackets on the vehicle, moving on to just putting on the side step. So just like the Crew, you're gonna have your 6 flat washers and 6 5/16 18 lock nuts. Like I said, nothing changes between this and the Crew model. So just go ahead and slap the side step on just like you would the Crew, which is definitely a lot easier, less material, single slabs for the win. And that is y'all's brief side step install for the single cabs. We should say it's a short video, get it? But yeah, man, like I said, everything's the exact same as the Crew. And as always, if you guys got any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Don't mind the compressor, but yeah, let me know what you guys think.